Hey, what's good, YouTube? I'm just chiming in really quickly to show anyone who doesn't know about it the feature on YouTube to set up upload defaults. This can save you a lot of time by pretty much allowing you to create a template to set your settings for uploads. So you don't have to type this stuff in all the time on every video. Let me show you what I mean. So basically, you're logged into YouTube. You're gonna go to YouTube Studio, and you can look at all my stats here. You go down to settings, and then you go to upload defaults. Now anything you type into these boxes here will be basically your upload defaults anytime you upload, at least to the browser version. This doesn't work from the mobile version. I don't think it does, but it works from the browser version. But basically anything you type in here, random title, I'm just going to change that for demo purposes. Let's say that. And then I have all this here. I have some of my basic hashtags, basic information here. Of course, I'm going to change all of this to be something that's more fitting. Then I have like some of my Amazon associate links already built in here. I don't have to type them every time. Then I have some tags already in here. You can add more. You can go into your advanced settings and change things, monetization, and change some things. Now, when you're about to upload a video, of course, you go in, as I said, and you customize this information per upload for that video. Most of the content you have in this box, you'll leave the same, so you don't have to type it again, which I've said before. So let's just say I'm gonna put random title for demo purposes. I'm gonna hit save. So I go to upload a video. Let's just try one of the videos I shot this past weekend with Roger and Angelina. We'll just do this. So that's uploading. As you can see, the title comes up just like I created on the default uploads or a template. Random title for demo purposes and all the other information I want. So I can change the title. Okay, and then I can go down here and I can say whatever it's about. Oops. Okay, then I'm gonna say BTS. Okay, so all the other information is there. Don't need to retype this. I can go in, I can upload a thumbnail, I can do whatever else, but I don't have to go through the trouble of typing all of this junk in again. So it's amazing. All right, so I'm gonna cancel that. I don't really want that. That was just for an example. We're going to delete this forever. And again, you go down to settings and you go to upload defaults. I'm gonna take this out of here. And whatever you save in here in all of these tabs will become sort of your template for uploads. Really easy. Hopefully that's a good tip. Deuces.